As you all know, we recently crossed the 200,000 subscriber mark and it's time to announce our surprise seed packet giveaway. 5 lucky viewers are going to be chosen to receive this little gesture of appreciation for providing feedback on what kind of videos you would like to see on California gardening. We made a list of all our comments from our YouTube and Facebook pages and chose 5 lucky winners. Are you one of them? Find out soon. But first we wanted to let you know a little bit about California gardening. California gardening has been trying to make it easy for you to start gardening, and if you have already started, provides you with tips, growing information, and also enlightens you with a wide variety of plants that you can grow in your garden. If you are not already a YouTube subscriber, hit that subscribe button to get all future updates and notifications as soon as videos are released. Please also follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/california.gardening. If you like our videos and would like to support us, please buy the products we review from Amazon. You will find these links in the first pinned comment under every video we make. And now let's see who our winners are. We listed all the names of our viewers and assigned them a number. We then chose 5 random numbers and matched them with the names. Here are the 5 winners. We have Kinza Ali, Carla Craft, Peace Love, Kim Lim, and Shweta K. If you are one of the winners, please send us a message at californiagardeningblog@gmail.com from your YouTube account with your name and address, and we will take care of the rest. We would like to thank our viewers, and we hope that we can release more and more content which will be useful for you. Do keep commenting and providing feedback. We choose questions to be featured on our Q&A episodes, and we'll also have more giveaways in the future. We'll see you again soon. Happy gardening!